When you are in Mangalore, you should try seafood and some fish fry, anjal fry, along with the meals. We are in a ferry right now and we are on our way to Tannirbhavi beach. There our car is. Wow, just see the river and see the clouds there. Good evening. So another long weekend and it's Thursday evening and we are on our way to Mangalore today. We have stopped nearby Hassan. Hassan is just 60-70 kilometers now and we have stopped at this restaurant which is MTR since 1924 and we have ordered some filter coffee and some Mangalore bhaji on our way to Mangalore. We'll halt at Hassan today at night and then we'll cross the Ghat section in the morning. Since it's evening and it will be night soon, so we will be halting at Hassan in one of the hotels and we'll be on our way early morning tomorrow. So I have taken Agrima from school and we are on our way after the school in the evening. So that's why we started in the evening. This is our Mangalore bhaji. Alankrita is trying to cut it by spoon.
It is hot.
This is our filter coffee and they have given separate sugar. Let's try it.
Coffee is good.
Nice coffee with some bhaji. So we are done. This is the outside and now we should be on our way. 84 kilometers more actually, not 60-70. I just checked. You can see the MTR since 1924 behind me. There is Agrima and that's the restaurant. It's 9:30 p.m. now and we have reached Hassan and we have checked into Hotel Rama, the hotel which we have booked. It's a triple bedroom room. You can see it here. And this is the room. That's the bathroom, mini fridge and everything you have. And we'll be here. We'll go to the restaurant now, have some dinner and go to sleep early hopefully so that we can start early tomorrow to Mangalore. This is the lounge bar on the second floor, the liquid lounge bar. Agrima is busy watching her phone and Alankrita is trying to order some main course and you can see the restaurant here. It's totally crowded here. It's almost the weekend as it's a long weekend here in Karnataka and you can see the highway here and that's our car down in the parking. For main course, we ordered some keema with egg. So mutton keema with egg and butter naan. Good morning. We had halted in Hassan last night and it's 9 a.m. and we are about to start to Mangalore. That's our parking lot and this is our lobby. That was our room 206 and the lobby here. Let's go. We have stopped for breakfast after driving for half an hour. It's almost at Sakleshpura now. Yeah, at Sakleshpura right now. The Osur coffee estate, I can see it here. That's the highway, and we are at Sakleshpura. You can see the Osur coffee, and this is the Osur restaurant. So this is the restaurant. We have ordered some breakfast already. My idli vada have come. And we can see Agrima and Alankrita have ordered masala dosa, a big one.
Idli.
She said idli is awesome. Okay. We'll have some lemon tea as well. You can see these small waterfalls. There are quite a few hairpin bends. You can see the cloud there on top of the mountain. This is Shiradi Ghat. It's always raining here because we are inside the clouds. We have stopped on the way. A lot of monkeys here. And there's a beautiful waterfalls. So I'm going to see the waterfalls. Let's see. These monkeys are here. You can see this huge waterfall here. Coming from the top, you can see. Wow, just see the river. No words can describe the beauty. We just stopped here to just watch the beauty of the river. It's just flowing through. And see the clouds there. Nature at its best. It's 1:30 now. We have reached Mangalore and we are on our way to one of the points which we want to see, the Sultan Battery. Let's go there, and after seeing Sultan Battery we'll have lunch, and then we'll visit a few more places before checking into the hotel. We have arrived at the Sultan Battery now, and this is the part of history. This is a kind of a tower which was built beside the sea to keep things in control. As you can understand by the name Sultan Battery, so this was built by the Sultan to keep things in control, and so that he can fire cannonballs to the sea in case of there were enemies approaching, or control the British as well. We are in a ferry right now, and we are on our way to Tannirbhavi beach, the city beach, and we have kept our car there, and just we are taking this ferry ride. Here we are. There our car is. This is one must ride when you are in Mangalore. That's the ferry. Per person, the ticket fare is 15 rupees, and the ferry runs very frequently. You will get a ferry from Tannirbhavi back to the Sultan Battery till 8 p.m. And now we are on our way from the Sultan Battery to Tannirbhavi. Enjoying the ferry ride as soon as we are in Mangalore. We are at the Tannirbhavi beach and we have ordered some lunch and some mocktails and thali, Mangalore fish thali. So when you are in Mangalore, you should try seafood. So we have ordered crab and some anjal fry and fish meals, Mangalorean fish meals. So we'll try and see how they have prepared. The meals have arrived and some fish fry, anjal fry along with the meals. We'll try now. This is the way to the beach. So we have to take ticket. The beach timing is from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. It's written here. We'll take the ticket here. Entry fee 20. Below 13 is 10. Hi, we are at Tannirbhavi beach now. It's around 4:30 p.m. right now, and we will be here about 1 hour. The beach is very beautiful. It's very neat and tidy. The people keep a lot of cleanliness here. We can see some peacocks going there, and also the beach is very neat and clean here. So what I have heard that the beach is open for taking bath during 8 months, but it's closed for going into the water for 4 months during the monsoon season. But otherwise you have a good shower room, you have a changing room, and the bathrooms are very neat and clean, and you should come here. The entry fee is 20 rupees and you have different fees for everything. You can see peacocks there. We have taken a seat here, which is we have to pay in an hourly basis of 100 rupees, and it's under the umbrella. So all the umbrella seats you have to pay. The free seats are in between, which does not have a shade, but the beach is superb. We are again waiting at the Ferry Ghat, and we would be on our way to Sultan Battery now. Took the ticket from the counter there. This is the ticket, and that's the ferry queue, and we are waiting here. That's the ferry. And we are on our way to Sultan Battery again to collect our car and then check into the hotel. This is inside the room in the Sea View Hotel, Mangalore, and we have booked this suite room, and you have a mini fridge, and this is the suite. You have a 2 queen size bed and an office space, a couch, and a huge mirror, and a dressing room here, as well as this is the bathroom. You can see we'll be here for 2 days. Hi, we are in Mangalore and we are in front of the St. Aloys Chapel. You can see behind me. The name of the city, Mangalore, comes from Mangala Devi, who is here. You can see the temple from outside, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Parvati. We are at the 13th century Sri Krishna temple in Udupi. So finally we are at Malpe, and the Malpe beach is just in front of me. You can see there the Udupi signboard. Friends, you are watching The Common Indian Traveler. I am Sauvik. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more.